What if I told you this YouTube video wasn't edited by me? In fact, a robot did it. I gave an AI full control over my raw footage, and today we're gonna see if it can replace me. So here's what I did. I recorded a basic vlog, uncut, messy, and real. Then I uploaded the footage to this AI link, an AI video editor that promises to do all the work. Streaming, cutting, and adding music, even effects. Sounds scary, right? So let's see what it can do. Okay, the results are in. Let's see what this robot cooked up. Wait, why did it zoom into my cat's face for 10 seconds? Not gonna lie, this transition actually kinda fire. So here's the thing. It wasn't terrible. The AI knew what parts I was talking in, added background music, and even removed silences. So can AI replace human editors? Not yet, but if you're a beginner or just want to turn your Zoom call into a reel in 30 seconds, it's a game changer.